As we made it to our campsite, it was a long drive to Snow Lake in the Gila Mountains. We're gonna have some good shots of the lake here pretty soon, but yeah, you can kind of take a quick view. Now if you look, I don't know where you can see it in the camera, but there's a dam right there, and right next to it there's a trail. Let's see if we can see it. So right in between these trees here, there's a trail that heads through that canyon right there, and that's the way we're going to head out tomorrow. The first day is going to be about 4 or 5 miles as the crow flies, I guess, as we did the measurements, but that's the direction we're going to take tomorrow. And super excited. It took us about 2 hours longer to get here to the camp spot, to our parking area, than we were expecting originally, but we're here. It's beautiful. We got a little bit of weather, but it is gorgeous out here, so we're excited. Right now we're going to be setting up to do some fishing down at Snow Lake. So left the vehicles and we're headed out. I think I got a feeling I'm going to learn a valuable lesson about overpacking for backpacking trips. So let's see what happens. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. everyone. We hiked about 5 miles in. First leg of the journey wasn't too bad. There were some pretty steep hills and some obstacles to get through, but we finally made it to this area. We decided on this camp spot next to the near the trail, and we're gonna go down to the river now and filter some water to fill up our containers. All right, it's the first morning on trail, and it got really cold last night. I think we've learned some lessons about, you know, gear out here, using the gear, checking it out. A lot of it we use, a lot of it we were learning it as we go out here. I also think we learned some valuable lessons about like packing, what to pack, overpacking, packing the wrong things. There was a lot of valuable lessons learned already thus far. So today's another day. We're gonna get back on the trail, and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, we got all packed up. All the tents and all the bags are packed. And we're about to get back on trail. Put in another 4 miles or so. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Exactly 9 o'clock. And put in a few more miles on the trail and see how it goes.
Deciding to go on this journey was an easy decision. I love the outdoors. The outdoors has always been a part of my life. As you walk through beautiful country and you take in all of Mother Nature's beauty, you realize you're so far away from the noise of city life, and even though I was far away, I was able to reflect on my life. I reflected on being a husband, a father, a friend. When you're in beautiful solitude, the improvements you need to make as a human start to run through your mind. This journey was more than just a weekend trip. It was a temperature check on where I am in life. I had great company. We laughed, we struggled, we grew. As our trip comes to an end, our families, friends, and jobs await us. Thanks for coming with us on this journey. Until next time.